guys, it's me, Carol. Right now I have some slime. I love to use it, and I think I'm gonna do a video with it. I am doing a video right now, but this is not the one. I think I'm gonna do a video of it, but with my LPS. Oh, that was a perfect one. Try to do a bowl with it. Well, the last time when I went live, I did a huge bowl. Oh. And yeah, I'm all dressed up black. I don't know why, but yeah. My favorite color is black, gray, blue, or purple. And yeah, yesterday I was putting my koala in the slime. It's quite sticky. My brother's gonna be saying cuss words, so yeah. Yeah, we say cuss words, but mostly my brother. He's a bad boy. Bad bunny. Like Bad Bunny. Yeah, so just right here with my slime. I'm not showing off, but I just love my slime. Oh my god. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't stick all over me. Right now it's quite sticky and crazy because I just did this. I just did this and just like that. And that way it'll get crazy. But yeah. My brother, right now, he was using the slime and he was all like, like, I'm gonna show you how. He was like, What?
You haven't done it.
I already called Mom and she said she doesn't answer. I called her like 5 times. Yeah, he was all like, I'm gonna show you how right now. He was like, he was like that, and I was like, dude, stop messing. I was all like, dude, stop messing around with my slime, or else I won't let you use it again. He's just being dumb. Like, he doesn't know how to control slime. Boys don't know. A lot of them don't, but yeah, they do. And one of them that doesn't know how to control my slime is my brother, because he was all like, he was like that. He was like this. Literally, like, his hands, they were all like, What?
Come here.
Look, guys. My brother wants me to call my mom again, but she's gonna get annoyed if I call again. So I already told him no. And she's with her boyfriend. I don't really like how her boyfriend is. He's really rude. But yeah, I shouldn't be talking about him and all that. It's already, what time is it? What time is it? It's 2:02. Damn. Yeah, so I'm recording this at 2:02. Actually, I started recording this like 1:58. yeah, so that's the time that I started recording it. Oh, it's been 5 minutes now. Can't believe time passes that fast. Literally. But I just wanted to show y'all my slime again, and if y'all like this video, please like and subscribe. I need a lot of subscribers because I can't tell you how much subscribers I have. Yeah, so technically I have the slime, and I just wanted y'all to see it again. Oh shit, the container. Yes, I'm just right here with my slime. So technically, I think this is gonna be the end of the video, and I'm gonna try to do one last bubble. The slime. I'm gonna turn it around. Oh. Yeah. Wasn't a good bubble, but yeah, at least I tried to make a good bubble. At least I did make one. I made another one, and it's bigger, but it popped. No, slime's super crunchy. Alright guys, hope you have a good day or night, wherever you're watching this, or yeah. I just hope you're watching it and give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.